Alright, the time has come to play Metroid Prime HD on the Wii. We got the original hardware here. Hold on, let me change the channel so that there's no like weird delays and stuff. I need every frame per second to play Metroid Prime Trilogy. I had a bed and drill last night, so I'm a little bit groggy. I got a nunchuck, man. You don't see my nunchuck? There we go. I never played this. What is this? Oh, maybe I started a game and 000. Okay. Let's just play this one. Start single player. Let's go. Come on. Metroid Prime 2 Echoes, and Metroid Prime 3 Corruption, and Metroid Prime 4. What was that one called? Beyond or something? I don't know. It's not out yet. But I don't know. I want to see if this is good enough. If this is good enough, I'm just going to get the HD version. If it sucks, then nah. I think I played it for like about 5 minutes as a kid and I didn't like it. Identified distress beacon has been tracked to a derelict space vessel. Blah. Let's go. Metroid Prime. I played the original Metroid on my NES and I was just lost. No idea what to do. Then I tried it again on the Super Nintendo. I played it for a few hours. I liked that one. Just never went back to it. This, though. This might suck me in through the entire adventure. This is looking pretty good for like an old school Wii. Original hardware. Actually, I think it came out on the GameCube first, right? It got ported to the Wii, then it got ported to the Switch. I'm actually playing on a Wii U though, that's how I can record it at 1080p. Actually, I'm recording at 2K to make every pixel look pretty. Man, a creepy atmosphere, I love it. We'll turn it up a tad. Hopefully it won't get on my mic and we'll hear the echoes, but there she be. Oh, should turn off the light to make it nice and creepy in here. I might wreck a video though. See my fearful panic expressions. That sound, I know that sound. So they say I'm using. Okay, which one shoot? I want to shoot. What does this do? Jump? I don't know what that does. There's the ball. Oh, we got our first puzzle. All right. Like I said, I have no idea what I'm doing. Blind playthrough. Played for about 5 minutes and didn't like it. Now I'm an older dude. The next set of force field controls are scan the central pillar to activate them. This. Move the cursor and then okay. Scan. Scan. Move the cursor to the zone and release. Go to the scan visor. That's the scan visor. Move the cursor to the top zone and release to enter scan visor. Top of what? What? Move the cursor? What cursor, man? This thing? Oh, now I remember why I shut. Oh, here we go. Scannable objects appear as orange. Press and hold Z to scan a target. Which button is Z? This one? This switch does not seem to be operational. Well, fine. This force field blocks the entrance. Press and hold Z to scan a target. Okay. What else can we scan? Let's scan my ship. It's out of range? Come on. How do I jump again? I want to scan my ship. Energy force field in space. You cannot reach your gunship. There's a force field here? Scan. Press and hold Z to scan a target. Didn't I just do that? Oh gosh. Which one's Z, man? This is painful, guys. I'm sorry. I did that already. Oh wait, I didn't scan this thing, right? Press and hold Z. Which one is Z? There we go. Hold on, man. I need my glasses. I can't see which one is. Now I know why I shut this game off. This is just like reading the back of a, you know, spray can or something. Z, which one is it? Okay, Z is that one on the nunchuck. This is B. All right. Maybe I should just get the Switch version. It's probably not this bad, right? This is a good game, guys. Is this a good game? All right. Press and hold Z to scan a target. I'm holding Z. Move cursor into the top zone and release it. Okay. There we go. Well, let's make it operational. I don't need no force field to stop me. What do you want me to scan? All right, fine. Orange targets. The switch does not seem to be on. I know that. What does it want me to scan? This? I'm trying to scan the light. This game sucks, man. What does it want me to scan? This? Force field activation switches are now online. That thing wasn't orange. Come on, man. Press and hold. No, press A. All right, I can go through here now. Am I stupid? Like what is going on? I did this already. Switches are online. Let's go. Oh, there's 6 of them. Okay. Oh, I didn't even see those ones up there. Holy cow, this is so hard to control. 20 minutes just to push a button. How do I jump? Press B to jump. Oh my gosh, this is so painful. Let's scan something now. We gotta scan. Nothing to scan here. Ooh, don't walk off the edge. We're in space, huh? Use the beam to open the doors. I'm gonna scan. All right, this is the beam. Oh, hold it power, man. Boom. It's my energy beam, right? There we go. There we go. What's this? We are making progress. Why are you flashing? Okay. Okay. Oh yeah, I gotta shoot the beam, or with the beam. What is that, a bug? Oh, disgusting. Oh wait, I should have scanned it. Am I supposed to scan stuff? Airlock repressurization successful. Air pressure successful. All right, we have the pressurization.